In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry in QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, following these instructions will make the process straightforward and intuitive. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and enter the QuickBooks URL or click on your bookmark for it. Once you're on the home page, look for the plus icon. This button is crucial as it acts as your starting point for any new entry in QuickBooks. Go ahead and give it a click. After that, you're going to select Journal Entry from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new journal entry form. Each component here is essential, so I'll walk you through them step by step. Next, let's click on Account. This is where you'll choose the account you'd like to debit or credit. The accounts are typically linked to your specific business transactions, so make sure you pick the correct one. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to double-check with your accounting guide or consultant to ensure you're coding transactions properly. Now that you've selected the account, move on to the Debits column. Here, you'll input the amount you wish to debit. Remember, the debit entry increases the balance of an asset account, and it decreases the balance of liability or equity accounts. Ensure you input the correct amount to maintain balanced books. Once your debit amount is settled, we're going to work on credits. Enter the amount you wish to credit in this column. Like debits, credits have their set rules. They decrease the balance of an asset account while increasing a liability or equity account. The sum of debits must always equal the sum of credits in a journal entry. Now, let's add some context to your journal entry by clicking on Description. Here, provide a brief narrative of the transaction. A good description can help save time and reduce errors when reviewing entries later. Next, click on Name. In this field, you'll specify the vendor, customer, or employee involved in the transaction. This is particularly useful for reference and reporting purposes. Following that, click on Memo. This field lets you add additional notes about the transaction. While optional, a memo can be incredibly helpful to provide further clarification and recount specific details about the transaction to anyone reviewing it later. To bolster your record keeping, you'll click on Attachments next. This feature allows you to attach any supporting documents related to the journal entry, like receipts or invoices, which can be especially useful for future audits. Lastly, for recurring transactions, QuickBooks has a neat trick. Click on Make Recurring if you anticipate repeating this journal entry frequently. By doing so, you can save time and ensure consistency for ongoing transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a journal entry in QuickBooks. Remember, accurate entries are key to insightful financial reporting, so take your time with each entry. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.